Java stack traces, troubleshoot obfuscated code. Imagine trying to fix a puzzle where all the pieces are tiny, unreadable symbols. That's what debugging obfuscated Java code feels like. It can be frustrating, but with the right tools, you can decode the mystery. Java stack traces are your first clue. They show the sequence of method calls leading to an error, helping you find where things went wrong. But when the code is obfuscated, the method names and class identifiers are replaced with short, meaningless labels. This makes the stack trace look like a jumble of unknown sources. So, how do you troubleshoot these tricky traces? First, understand that obfuscation tools like ProGuard or R8 renames classes, methods, and fields to short names. They might also remove or change line number information. When you see entries like A unknown source, it's a sign that the original method names are hidden. To fix this, you need to preserve line number information during obfuscation. If you keep line number tables intact, debugging tools can map the obfuscated trace back to the original source lines. That makes your job much easier. The next step is to generate and keep a mapping file, often called mapping.txt. This file records how each original class and method name was changed. Without it, deobfuscation is nearly impossible. When a crash occurs, collect the obfuscated stack trace from logs or crash reports. Then, locate the matching mapping file for that version of your app. Use tools like Retrace, which is part of ProGuard, to process the obfuscated trace and the mapping file. Retrace will produce a deobfuscated stack trace with the original class and method names restored. This readable trace allows you to pinpoint the exact location of the bug in your source code. To make this process smoother, always archive your mapping files for each releases. Integrate deobfuscation into your crash reporting pipeline so that you see readable traces automatically. When analyzing the deobfuscated trace, look for the root cause of the error. Sometimes nested exceptions hide the real problem, so check the entire cause chain. Keep in mind that if line number information was not preserved, the deobfuscated trace might still show unknown source for some entries. This reduces precision but still gives you clues about the general area of the bug. Multiple original names might also appear if the mapping is ambiguous, so review the trace carefully. By mastering how to use mapping files and deobfuscation tools, you can turn confusing, obfuscated stack traces into clear paths to fix bugs. This approach is essential for debugging protected or optimized Java code and keeps your development process efficient and effective.